Are you guys ready for a mega alt season? I'm going to tell you what you can expect and step by step of what I think is actually going to happen. But first, let me cover this. Mara Holdings bought another $1.1 billion of Bitcoin. They bought $1.7 billion in Bitcoin last month. And now, you know what? They're kind of copying Saylor, but guess what? Guess who's a major shareholder of Mara? BlackRock. Very interesting, huh? They have their tentacles and everything. I am not really bullish on that long term, but short term, obviously, it's going to take a lot of the supply off exchanges and OTC. So that is bullish. Okay, moving on to this. We have Ki Young Ju. He says leverage in Bitcoin market is easing. And yes, open interest is slightly going down right now, which is very good. That means the amount of leverage in Bitcoin. BTC USDT futures open interest is down 7% from its peak, while exchanges held USDT balances have surged 32% in a month. If the deposited USDT is for future trading, more USDT collateral reduces cascade liquidation risk. So in other words, you're probably not going to see those massive red candles that we are used to seeing anytime soon. That could change if more leverage comes into the system. But if it doesn't, 30% drawdowns might be a lot more difficult for whales to go ahead and smash the price to liquidity grab. And, you know, whales are really good at that. I mean, we've seen that plenty in the past bull markets as well, with 30, 40% drops during a parabolic rise in Bitcoin. Yes, it happens. It freaks everybody out, and then the smart money goes in and buys it. Okay, so moving on, we have Ray Dalio says that steering away from debt assets like bonds and debt and have some hard money like Bitcoin and gold. So it's really interesting that he's changing his tune. Keep in mind, this guy has some of the smartest people on the planet, working for him, but they totally missed Bitcoin. And I had read his book and it said pretty much nothing about Bitcoin. And even though he has like hundreds of advisors, it blows my mind that some of these advisors even have a job anymore. But then again, we all know that these are the fiat kings. We are the crypto kings right here. We are a brand new generation of investors. People like us and many other people in this space are those that are trendsetters. We are going to pave the path for the world to go on. So it's really, really great. So one more story before I get to my main point. This is from Wall Street Mavs. Okay, he says the US government brings in $5 trillion a year in revenue from taxes, fees, and tariffs. The US government is on pace to spend about $1.4 trillion for interest payments on the $36 trillion in debt during 2025. That will be about 28% of government revenue going to interest payments. Now, I've covered this before, but I want to just reiterate what I've been talking about the last couple videos when Trump said, yes, we're going to keep Jerome Powell as the Federal Reserve chairman. It's the same swamp, guys. That's the final boss right there. If he doesn't get rid of the Federal Reserve completely, like destroyed, like you're going to see Bitcoin go to levels. The Van Eck guy said $3 million by 2050. He is so bearish. It's unbelievable. Inflation is going to eat people alive. It's sad to say, but that's what's going to happen. And here we are with Ash Crypto posting this mega alt season. We are going to talk about what he posted. Really interesting. He gave a step-by-step of what to expect. This guy's been in the space for a while, it seems, because it's kind of in line with what I was thinking too. You know, it's kind of what happens every single bull market. Okay, phase one. Let me cover, there's 4 phases here. Phase one, flow of money moves into Bitcoin, causing prices to surge. Okay, so phase overlap. Money flows into Ethereum, but it struggles to keep up with Bitcoin. Ethereum goes back and forth with Bitcoin and starts outperforming it. Boom, what have we seen? Pretty much that. Okay, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. This is phase 2. And we hear talks of the flippening every single time. Other than the first bull market, Ethereum wasn't alive for me. But starting 2015, we've been hearing this all the time. Okay, so phase overlap, money is starting to trickle into large caps and we see large buy-ups happening. Okay, Next up, phase three. There's phase four, okay, pretty soon. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin and large caps are going parabolic. This is what normally happens. Regardless of market cap, some altcoins with strong fundamentals are having pumps. Now, phase four of the bull market, altcoin bull market, this is what you really need to pay attention to. Large caps have gone full vertical and we're seeing blow off tops. Mid caps, low caps, micro caps all tend to pump around the same time. Large caps have been outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. It seems that every coin is going parabolic. You're going to see this. You're not going to believe your eyes, regardless of fundamentals. Memes are everywhere. Everyone is super excited and you feel the mania in the air. Guys, by that time, you better check out learningcrypto.com because you're going to see when we're going to be selling and we are going to make a killing at near the top of the bull market. I'm not saying we're going to make the very top. Like that's, I don't have a crystal ball, guys, but I can see from this is my fourth bull market. I know when to start taking profits, and we are definitely going to take it. And if you do not take profits during this time, that last stage four, you're blowing it and you're going to ride this thing all the way to the ground. And some of those coins that you're holding, these altcoins, will never recover. Okay, they'll never recover, and you're going to be like, man, I wish I did this. So anyways, check us out, follow us, and yeah, enjoy this beautiful view of Lauterbrunnen. This is in Switzerland. It's one of my favorite places in the world. It is gorgeous. So yeah, we're going to be doing more videos as well. Anyways, my hands are frozen right now. But check out that. It's not a green screen. This is real life here. We actually get out of the house and enjoy the view.